Okay, we're going to do a key fob battery replacement. So leave a like on the video and subscribe if you haven't already. First we're going to do is we got this little tab here. Just going to pull that to the side to get the key out. But once you have the key out, you can see right in here a little spot right there. Put your screwdriver, get a flathead, put it in there and turn, and then opens up like that, and here's the battery. Just pop that out. Probably remember which direction it was in there, just so you can put for the new one. Very simple to do. And this one's actually on a Kona, which, you know, doesn't really matter. So it's a 2032 battery. So it's a positive end up. If you're looking at it like this, there's even a plus on this side here. So we gotta get the new battery. So we got our new battery here. Simply gonna slide it in just like that. It's okay if this comes out. It's not like locked in there or anything like that. It's the fob holding it together. Then just put the two silver ends on the same side. Push it together. Do a little click. And your fob is new batteried and ready. Let me try it. I don't know if you can hear the beeping, but that is working. Real simple to do.